Here we are for LEGO Ninjago Weekends here at LEGOLAND Florida to check out all of the shows, food, and exclusive elemental fun that you can have here at LEGOLAND. So we found a scavenger hunt, the Path of the Dragon. So you look for these little elemental pieces and then you collect stickers.
Dragon so far. Yes, no. I like it, the strong, silent type. Bibble, I've been working on my stealth! Holy moly! Oh, that has definitely earned us our first Path of the Dragon Crossroads Ninja sticker!
Let's see those event guides open those right.
For Media Day, we are going to be able to check out all of the Ninjago offerings, and the first one is over here at Tacos Every Day, and they have a birria ramen. The Bonsai Birria Ramen is ramen noodles in birria broth with shredded beef, onions, cilantro, green onions, radishes, queso fresco, and lime for $14. This ramen looks incredible. Great chew on the noodles. I like how it has radish for like an extra crunch, spring onions for a little bit of that freshness, and again, a little bit more texture. And then you also get this really rich beef broth, and the shredded beef is incredible.
Young ninjas.
And welcome to the School of Spinjitzu. My name is Sensei Sparrow. And I'm Sensei Jasper. Are you all here to learn the ways of Spinjitzu? Yeah! This is our Earth pose. Now can you tell me what ninja would practice the Earth pose? Oh! You got it right, Cole. Alright, from our Earth pose, we're gonna go into our lightning pose. So cross your arms in front of your chest and slice them open.
Now it's time for us to practice our Spinjitzu on Ninjago the Ride. Here's my biggest tips to score for Ninjago. You gotta make sure you're over the sensor but not too far. That's the biggest thing. And then aim for pots. You can unlock things but never stop firing. And then you'll get over 200, 300,000. Opportunity to sit in on Lloyd's Elemental Challenge, which is a ninja challenge with lots of acrobatics and of course Lloyd.
Hey ninjas in training, glad you could join us. Stop. Now really fast. Water! Ninja go!
I'm getting drenched.
Again!
Like the martial artists and the people on trampoline. Those are people that we bring in.
And this show is exclusively for the weekends, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it is exclusively for Ninjago Weekends.
Okay. How long is the flip from the holidays to this show? How much time did you guys have to redress and set everything up?
I believe the team to build like the trampoline and everything was on January 3rd. So 3 days. This is brand new though to this park and this event.
Whose idea was it to add the very immense water effects?
Were you sat?
I was right in
zone?
front of it. It was awesome. I loved it.
Well, with the element of water, it's almost expected at this point, right? That we have some water.
Time to meet Kai, Naya, Zane, Pixel over at the. What's the pose? You mind doing it again? Oh, that's serious. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Quick pose, Sora.
Ooh. All right, and then Aaron, your turn. Nice. Ninja go, thank you. Yeah, can I get a solo pose?
Yeah, you want to give us a pose?
And then I gotta get Kai, of course.
Kai too.
Oh,
Spiky hair.
looking good, y'all. What's the most exciting thing for Ninjago Weekends that you made for us?
Enjoy this birria ramen that we made. Just, you know, a taco every day, this fusion of Mexican and Asian cuisine all put together here. But actually my favorite, the most simple item here is this curry fries, full of flavor with this spicy mayo. You can smell them from, you know, the distance as you're approaching the Ultimate Sandwich Builder Cart or the Ninjago food truck. They're great.
I love
my
that
favorite.
there's lots of amazing Asian flavors is kind of the theme. It's fantastic.
Yeah, that's definitely our approach here. You know, bringing those Asian flavors into our park staples and some new items just for the season.
So I appreciate you always change out the apple fries, and this time we went with banana. Why do we go with banana? Have we ever done a banana soft serve with the apple fries? I love when you pick new soft serves. Holidays was great.
Yeah, so you know, we try to be, you know, take a little risk here and there, and you know, banana is an ingredient used in Asian cuisine a lot. So we just wanted to try that combination, and but also given, you know, a kid-friendly taste. So we brought that boba. That's also fun, you know, to bite, get those flavors. Strawberry, banana always go great. So and the apple fries that go great with anything. So.
Oh, that's awesome. Now, all right, I'm going to be honest, I have not eaten at Dragon's Den before. Are wings ever on that menu normally? It's normally like turkey legs and hot dogs and chili fries and stuff like that, right?
Correct. No, they are not usually on that menu, but we just wanted to bring something different that we were able to showcase in that kitchen. So it's you know, it's something different. You know, we have our dragon legs, which are our turkey legs, so we just wanted to have our baby dragon legs, if you want to call them that way. I'm Noah Spangler, production entertainment manager with LEGOLAND Florida Resort, and really excited about Ninjago Weekends starting. One of my favorite things to talk about is the Path of the Dragon. So that's the path that you get to go on once you get your event guide for the day. And really taking a look at it, you get to collect 7 stickers throughout the day. And once you collect all 7 stickers from shows, from our activities, from different offerings, you get to try and come across one of our crossroad ninja. And once you meet them in the back or front of the park, you get to show them your complete event guide, and they're actually going to hand over a really cool headband, or you get to pick an event brick. So kind of up to you, but I'm a big fan of these headbands. You get to really
headband
embrace,
or what? What was the other thing?
An event brick.
Oh, okay.
So we do an event brick for every LEGOLAND event we do. It's a fun little brick with our
Yeah, we usually do
event logo.
they're in the Duplo typically.
Yes, yep.
Because we've gotten the Brick or Treat and we got the holidays ones.
Yes, so we usually do a scavenger hunt as the prize. So change up a little bit this event. So if you do love to collect those event bricks, make sure you do your Path of the Dragon and then redeem it for that brick.
I love it. I love it. And then here's our Kai, Lloyd. Who's the blue one?
Nia.
Nia.
And then we've got Zane, Pixel, and Aaron here.
Okay.
And then we've got our Sora.
Very cool.
So yeah, so
Oh, I love it.
very excited for some new characters.
And again, this is something that any guest can do. You know, it's not like it costs extra. It's just something fun to go explore all of the event offerings.
Yeah, and truly, I encourage it because you get to kind of have a self-guided event day too, because if you hit all 7, you've completed the whole event. So it is a commitment. You know, you're going to be here for the day, but that's what we want to encourage is come out and spend your day here with all the fun activities that we
Yeah,
have.
gets guests around the park and seeing everything.
Absolutely.
All right, so what's going on with pass holder benefit?
We are super excited to have the return of LEGO Ninjago Weekends because we know 2024 is really the year of the pass holder here at LEGOLAND Florida Resort. This week, the return of LEGO Ninjago Weekends, but we've got the return of our annual pass holder magnets, so everybody can start picking up their car magnets. That will be available all throughout the event. But next week, for the first time ever, we're launching and beginning our limited series of pop badges.
Oh, stop.
The Pop Badge program has been very popular here at the park. I've got a couple of the generic ones that we've had, you know, LEGOLAND Florida Resort, certainly last year with the opening of Pirate Quest, and we've got some of our other events. But now we actually have a series dedicated solely to LEGOLAND Ninjago Weekends.
I take it these are the...
These are them. So the first one that our guests and pass holders will pick up next week is with Lloyd, who's up there on the top right corner. And then in order to get the other ones, you have to keep coming back throughout the entire run of the event. So this is a great way for our pass holders to come back many, many times. We always tell everybody there's lots of reasons to return. But also, what a way to increase their collection of hot badges, what a way to engage with our model citizens, and also say they are part of the LEGO Ninjago Weekend community.
Next spot to practice some Spinjitzu is the Dragon's Den. These are the sweet Thai chili wings, twice cooked wings tossed in sweet Thai chili glaze served with Asian slaw.
So you get 2 drums, 2 flats, and I will tell you, I already took a bite. Nice crispy skin, but then you get this really sticky, sweet, but a little bit of that Thai pepper on there. Chili, these are excellent. I like this better than the ramen. Coleslaw has more kind of sesame flavor and oil than vinegar, which is just nice and toasty and complements really well with the chili Thai.
Our next food item is at Ultimate Sandwich Build for karate chop fries, shoestring fries tossed in a curry spice blend with a side of sriracha mayo dipping sauce.
This dip reminds me more of like a sour cream than a mayo because it's not that thin. And these French fries are so crunchy and crispy. Best French fries I've ever had in a theme park. Oh my God. They're heaven. Perfectly crunchy. And I love that curry. Oh my God.
The next item is at Kickin' Chicken. Master Wu's Dojo Q Sandwich. Fried chicken breast tossed in Korean barbecue sauce topped with kimchi slaw and pickles served on a toasted potato bun for $16.
I already bit into it. It's got straight gochujang on it. It is a Korean sticky hot sauce, lots of chili flavor, and then there's kimchi and pickles on this. Admittedly, I'm biased. This is my favorite place to eat in all of Legoland is Kickin' Chicken because I think they have the most flavorful options. They give great portion sizes and the pricing is good. This is great, especially if you love Asian and Korean food. And the spice level for most people is probably somewhere in the like a 6 or a 7 out of 10. It's fantastic.
Master Wu, can I get one pose? Oh, that's a good one. Thank you, Master Wu. Our second to last location is Legoland's Coffee Cove, the Hi-Ya Hibiscus Kombucha Lemonade. Hibiscus kombucha with macerated cherries, ginger beer, and lemonade.
Hibiscus lemonade. If you can't tell, we drank the heck out of this thing. The ginger beer is really effervescent and like bubbly, and then all that macerated raspberry and strawberry, bright, fruity, delicious. This is a banger. This whole place is so good. You have to come to Coffee Co. Get the cinnamon bun for $4 or get a latte for $5. It's dirt cheap, delicious, amazing. We always stop here.
Last but not least are going to be Granny's apple fries. Faux fighting apple fries. Apple fries with banana soft serve ice cream topped with strawberry boba and ninja sprinkles for $17.
Banana, boba ball, sprinkle. I'm going for everything all in one bite. Sharp burst of fruitiness with the boba. The banana is so creamy. I argue this is some of the best soft serve you can get in the entire state of Florida. I like the vanilla a little bit better, but it's just because banana is not my number one. And then the apple fries are great. They're just spectacular. Look how cute. It says LEGOLAND Florida Resort. I love that. This is a great addition. Total random time travel over to the Legoland Hotel to check out their Ninjago themed rooms, complete with children's bunk bed, their own private TV, an amazing all-encompassing Lego build area, and a wonderful bathroom filled with amenities, and of course, an area for the parents to relax and hang out aside from their kids. It honestly is a great resort, and it's awesome for families. We can't recommend it enough. There's even fun in the hotel elevator. Thank you again to Legoland for having us out for Ninjago Weekends. This was an unbelievable event. Absolutely, probably one of my favorites so far. I like this even more than Holidays, which is crazy. Brick or Treat is still my number one here because it's so good. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. And if you want to check out a little bit more of the events here, why don't you check out my favorite with Brick or Treat right here. Boop.